Well, city leaders say El Paso is down $19 million in federal money since President Trump took office.
And now city leaders are bracing for how they plan to make up for that lack in federal dollars. KFOX 14 News at 9's Harrison Parker live in the studio tonight to explain. Harrison.
The city of El Paso says it's lost $19 million in grants from the federal government since January. Much of that money going out the door due to the big, beautiful bill, according to city leaders. Since about 12% of the city's budget comes from federal grants, again, according to city leaders, many fear this is just the beginning.
The federal government has said they're not going to fund those things anymore. We are picking those up in our budget this year.
Chris Canales is a city council member grappling with the federal government's decision to rescind grant money meant for El Paso, coming between January 20th all the way up through the signing of the big, beautiful bill on July 4th. Josh Azevedo, another city representative, says that messes with their plans.
I have to maintain what we have and probably not expand, even though we really need to expand a lot of different services.
According to the city of El Paso, as of June 30th, the city lost $11.1 million in awarded grants and $8.25 million in promised funding due to executive and congressional action. This money was meant for things like public health and infrastructure, according to city officials. In response, leaders are proposing to hire a full-time federal lobbyist, expanding advocacy in D.C., and pursuing partnerships with corporate philanthropies and national foundations. The city's Assistant Director of Legislative Affairs spoke to me about why it's worth the money and time for a lobbying effort in Washington.
With the current funding environment and the Trump administration's changes, we want to make sure we make any investment necessary to be ahead of the game and keep the grants machine running. Every dollar we bring from the federal government, every dollar we bring from the state government is a reduction for our local taxpayers.
Well, El Paso hopes that their congressional delegation, Veronica Escobar and Tony Gonzalez, will use their power to secure some of those funds. I'm Harrison Parker reporting from the studio, KFOX 14 News at 9.